Week 12. Creativity and Innovation. 100-Day Self-Discipline Habits, Step-by-Step Journey. Day 84. Experiment with new ways of solving problems. Introduction. Welcome to Day 84 of our transformative 100-Day Self-Discipline Habits journey. Today, we're diving deep into a critical skill that separates exceptional professionals from the ordinary: the ability to experiment with new problem-solving approaches. In our rapidly changing world, traditional problem-solving methods are no longer sufficient. Innovation demands creativity, adaptability, and the courage to challenge established thinking, the problem with conventional problem-solving. Most professionals fall into a predictable trap. They approach challenges using the same mental models they've always used. When faced with a problem, we typically rely on past experiences, follow established procedures, seek incremental improvements, avoid risk and uncertainty. While these approaches worked in stable environments, they're increasingly ineffective in today's dynamic landscape. The modern workplace requires professionals who can think flexibly, generate novel solutions, embrace uncertainty, transform challenges into opportunities. The experimental mindset, a new approach to problem-solving. 1. Cognitive flexibility. Cognitive flexibility is the mental ability to switch between different concepts and adapt thinking in response to new information. It's like having a mental Swiss Army knife, multiple tools for different challenges. Key strategies: practice perspective switching, challenge your assumptions, intentionally disrupt your typical thinking patterns. Example scenario: imagine you're a project manager struggling with team communication. Instead of implementing another meeting or communication tool, you might shadow team members to understand their actual workflow. Experiment with asynchronous communication methods. Create a temporary role swap program to enhance mutual understanding. 2. Design thinking, a structured approach to innovation design. Thinking is a problem-solving methodology that prioritizes human-centric solutions through empathy, ideation, and rapid prototyping. 5 stages of design thinking. 1. Empathize. Deeply understand the problem and those affected. 2. Define. Clearly articulate the core challenge. 3. Ideate. Generate multiple potential solutions. 4. Prototype. Create quick, low-cost experimental solutions. 5. Test. Gather feedback and iterate real-world application. A customer service team using design thinking might interview customers about their frustrations, brainstorm 50 wild solution ideas, create a quick prototype of a new support process, test it with a small customer group, refine based on actual feedback. 3. The constraints paradox. Counterintuitively, constraints can boost creativity. Limited resources force innovative thinking. Constraint strategies: set artificial time limits, reduce available resources, impose unusual restrictions, use what-if scenarios. Example: constraint: solve a marketing problem with zero budget. Solutions might include viral social media campaigns, community partnerships, or user-generated content strategies. Practical experimentation techniques. 1. The 10x thinking method. Challenge yourself to solve a problem not by 10% improvement, but by a radical 10x transformation. Process: identify a current challenge. Imagine solving it 10 times more effectively. Discard all existing solution approaches. Develop completely new strategies to reverse thinking deliberately, approach problems from the opposite direction. Technique: instead of, how do I solve this? Ask, how would I make this problem worse? Reverse those actions to find innovative solutions. 3. Cross-pollination. Borrow problem-solving techniques from unrelated fields. Examples: use biological adaptation principles in organizational design. Apply musical composition methods to project management. Employ ecological system dynamics in team collaboration. Potential barriers and mitigation strategies. Common challenges. Fear of failure. Organizational resistance. Personal comfort zone limitations. Mitigation approaches. Start with low-stakes experiments. Build psychological safety. Celebrate learning over perfect outcomes. Share experimental results transparently. Conclusion. Experimenting with problem-solving is not just a skill, it's a professional superpower. By embracing uncertainty, challenging assumptions, and cultivating cognitive flexibility, you transform from a problem manager to a problem solver. Remember, innovation is not about having all the answers, but about being brave enough to ask different questions. Your journey of disciplined creativity starts now. Experiment boldly, learn continuously, and watch your professional capabilities soar. Assignment: 30-day problem solving. Experiment objective: transform your problem-solving approach through deliberate experimentation. Weekly challenges. Week 1. Document your current problem-solving approach to. Week 2. Apply design thinking to a work challenge. 3. Week 3. Implement 10x thinking in a project. 4. Week 4. Cross-pollinate solutions from different domains. Detailed weekly tracking. Keep a problem-solving journal. Record experiments, observations, and insights. Reflect on mental shifts and discoveries.